The hermit told to the king, "You have already been answered," said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. To the king, get the answer from the hermit. What the hermit said? Ki, you have already got your answer. How have I been answered? What do you mean? Then asked the king to the hermit, what do you want to say me? How I have got the answer? Then the hermit replied to the king, "Do you not see?" Replied the hermit. The hermit replied, "Are you not seeing? Are you not seeing the fact? What happened? If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beads for me, you would have gone away." You think? The hermit replied to the king, "You think if you had not kind me, as because I am weak and old, I was tired, I was digging the beds, and you saw my weakness and you helped me. And if you did not do that and had gone away yesterday, you would have gone away. Then that man would have attacked you, and you would have wished you had stayed with me. If you had gone away from here, that man got you on the way alone, and he would attack you. But you wished you stay here. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. So what is the most important time to begin any work? It was your questions, and here your questions, here is your answer. What is the answer? So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. If you don't help me and you did not do the work, and that then you went away, so that was not the important. Your important time you were working that moment, and I was the most important man too, and I was the most important man as because it is the work of a people to help one another. I was weak, unable, old, and you helped me. That's why I was the most important person, and it was your duty to help me. And to do me good was your most important business. And what is the important thing? The important thing is that to help me in my work, told the hermit to the king in answer of his questions. Students, afterwards what happened? Afterwards, when the men ran to us, the hermit told the king, after that time, when the men came ran to us or to them, the most important time was when you were caring for him. And here the important time is to take care of that wounded man. And you were taking care of that wounded man, told the hermit to the king. Because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. The hermit told the king that if you did not take care, if you did not treat him, he would have died, and you did not able to make peace with him. So he was the most important man at that moment. At that moment, the man was very important to you. And what you did for him was your most important business. And the work and the service and the treatment you gave him, it was the most important work for you, for that person. So remember then, so you remember, there is only one time that is important, and that time is now. So, kings, Lord, you always remember that in this world there is only one time that is important, and that time is the present time. In present time, what you are doing with anyone, that is the most important time, and that person is the most important person. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act. We can do anything in present, not in future. So it is important to us. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment. For no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. As because it is unknown to us what will happen to anyone, whether the future will come or not. And that's why the person you meet at a present time, the person you get in front of you, and you do for him something, that is the most important work, and that the person is the most important person. The most important business is to do that person's good. And what is your most important work? Your most important work is to do good with that person whom you meet, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone, as because we have taken birth in this world for the service of humanity, for the service of God, for the service of others, and that's why it is the most important work for us. Leo Tolstoy retold. So, student, the story is very simple, very interesting, and very legible. And I hope you will follow the story and prepare yourself for the examination. You will see the important lines, you will see the important questions, and prepare yourself in this way. Thank you for next class.